Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can change the volume on your Sony headset. This is the model number here. Two ways of doing it. We can do it via the right earpiece here, or we can do it via the phone. So obviously via the phone, all we've got to do is change the volume on your phone. And you can see it's nice and quick. But if you wanted to do it on here, all you have to do is to put the volume down, you swipe down and hold it, and then it will start going down. And then when you get to the volume that you're happy with, you just let go. You can see it going down on my phone there. And then if you want to put the volume up, you start from the bottom, swipe up and hold it. And again, just hold it there, and then you will see it change on the phone. So it's useful if your phone's in your pocket. So again, down and hold it. Volume will go down. Let go when you get to the volume you like, and then from the bottom go up and hold it, and the volume will increase. And obviously to pause it, we just double tap and then double tap to play again. Nice and straightforward. Thanks for watching.